So post-op rehabilitation, we knew that the leg length was an issue, and we had told the patient before NOD that he might have to use shoe raisers on that particular site, which was done. It was measured. He got a customized shoe rise, which was delivered to in the hospital by one of the companies, and then using that, the patient was able to walk, and it's been amazing that over the last few years he has gained so much of confidence. He's gone out with his friends. He has gone out for a kind of a bachelorette party to Goa from Bangalore, and he's in regular touch. When I'm in UK also, he calls me sometimes to ask some doubts that he has got. And this is a kind of a doctor-patient relationship. He had some more hernia surgery and all recently, and even at 8 years post-op, he calls me, "Sir, I had this hernia surgery. What should I do? What antibiotic I should take?" and things like that. So he and his family are grateful, and we are grateful that everything went well for him, and his life got transformed. He's again able to walk and mobilize, and mobility is life. So I'm very happy that this outcome was achieved by him and the whole team who were involved in his care. Thank you very much.